Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
Today I am going to show you two different types of 12 volt 120 mm fan which most of you haven't seen yet. You all have seen 120 mm fan fit inside the computer CPU box and computer PSU or SMPS. Those are low noise, low airflow fans. But these two fans are having very high airflow, which is more than 210 CFM and quite natural. The noise will be very high. These are also cooling fans which are normally used in Bitcoin mining computers. You must be extra careful while handling this fan, because while this fan is running, if your finger come in contact with the blade, then oops, you can forget about your finger in your whole life. You can imagine what I really meant. That much powerful this fan is. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. The model number of this fan is QFR 1212GHE, and you can see it will be using 12 volt and 2.7 ampere current. If you are looking into normal computer cooling fan, they will be using 180 milliampere to at the most 350-500 milliampere. But here it will be drawing 2.7 ampere. The other fan's model number is TFC 1212DE, is a bit more powerful. It is drawing 12 volt and 3.9 ampere current. And this one is having 252 CFM of airflow. The connection terminal of these fans are using 4-pin Relimate connectors. Black is ground, red is plus 12 volt, and blue and yellow are speed controlling terminals. This fan is also using the same connection color codes. I have cut the positive rails for this fan. Blue and yellow are speed controlling terminals. Do not ever connect this fan connector to computer motherboard's fan Relimate connector. This is because the motherboard's fan plus 12 volt PCB rail is not enough to carry 3.9 ampere. What you have to do is plus 12 volt and ground you have to connect directly to the SMPS plus 12 volt rail, and blue and yellow wire can be connected to the fan terminal of the motherboard. I will show you the power of these fans. Please listen to the sound that will tell you about the power of this fan. These fans are very dangerous ones, so please be careful while playing with this. I am powering this from my bench power supply. Since the air pressure from this fan is very high, there are chances that we can slip the fan, so hold the fan tightly. Please listen to the sound. It will be gradually increasing the speed. The other fan is a bit more dangerous than the previous one, so be careful. I am placing this fan here, and I have not connected this fan. And we will power this fan and let's see what will happen to the other fan. Powering this. Let's see, this one is start perfectly. I have imported this fan from outside, and these fans are very costly and current consumption is also very high. I have imported 4 numbers of this type fan from outside. It's around 5-6 years back I imported this one. I will do another way to show you its power. The calendar is around 3 meters from me. Please watch the clock. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you.
This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.